Namaste, dear ones. Welcome to Urban Oracle. I'm Neen Puliano. I'm excited to tell you about one of our new mentoring services called Essential Oil Living. It's a 1-hour Zoom call. This particular mentoring session can also be done over the phone, but typically it's done over Zoom. And this session is for those of you who have already taken advantage of our free essential oil consult. Yes, we offer a 1-hour free essential oil consultation. So if you haven't taken advantage of that yet, start there. But then this particular mentor session is $30 for 1 hour. And it's for those of you who want additional supports, additional daily habits, a customized routine for daily habits using CPTG essential oils and how to utilize them in every room of your home. So this particular session is customized to meet your needs and to meet the rooms of your home, as well as help you to reduce your toxic load, safeguard your health, your immunity, and your bodily systems, and to also uplift and restore your mood and bring balance into your home and into your body and into the lives of the family members that are residing in your home as well. So please connect with us at urbanoracle.com. And again, this is the Essential Oil Living Mentor Session for 1 hour over Zoom for $30. Hope to schedule with you soon, and we'll talk to you later. Namaste.